Hey everyone, it is 12:30 on Tuesday, and you know what that means. It is time for our Temp-tations Tuesday, where we pick an item on QVC.com, we bring it to life. We talk to you about it a little bit. Our mugs are always one of the biggest requests that we get. I love the silhouette of this. We actually call it kind of like our canteen style mug, where you still have that great 14-ounce capacity, but you have a smaller size handle over here. Still perfect, again, to stick your hands in here and to take things in and out. So you never have to worry about that. This is our floral lace. Floral lace has that carved or engraved pattern that you see here, and then the hand painting on the inside as well. Our old world pattern has, of course, the beautiful flower detail. This is our gray, nice, beautiful handle here as well. You're gonna receive 4 mugs, but here's what's great about our mugs. Our mugs, you can put in the oven up to 500 degrees. So if you wanna make a French onion soup, you can make a French onion soup. If you wanna put this mug in the microwave, you can do that as well. Maybe you've let your Keurig get a little cold and you wanna heat it up, you can do that. They go in the fridge, they go in the freezer, and the best part, you can put our mugs in the dishwasher when you wanna go ahead and clean them. They are the perfect addition when you just want that me time, when you wanna come down in the morning, have coffee, have some quiet time, tea time. These are the mugs you're gonna reach for day in and day out. So head on over to QVC.com and you can check out the colors and the patterns that we have available.